And in, exceptional ways, in enriching on levels that I cannot really, even describe. Maybe I have to write another book to be able to do so. एंड जो उसकी एनरिचमेंट है वो कई जगह बहुत ही ऑड मोमेंट्स पे आपको रियलाइज़ होती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ और आप कह रहे हैं कि शैलजा ने बहुत काम किया है, उस समय नहीं मुझे फील हो रही. आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग वाओ आई हैव अकम्प्लिश्ड समथिंग. इट कम्स एट strangest times, that enrichment when you're least expecting it. Right. So when I decided that I'm going to leave my job and work full time on it, I thought I could work from home, but that didn't work either because घर पे आपके बहुत distractions होते हैं. And you could be a person who is more disciplined than I am, but I just couldn't operate from work. And so many factors came together. Just around that time when I finished my last day, my husband started a job at Sydney Water.
Okay.
So he got a parking in the building as well. So he was now driving to work compared to going to the city when he was going by public transport. So driving to work, and a friend of mine suggested randomly one day that there's a hot desk space in Parramatta. And that hot desk space was literally 10 minutes walk from my husband's building.
Okay.
So it all was just, like you said, probably I was manifesting all this, but it was all really lined up one after the other.
Yeah.
So we used to both leave at, 8 a.m. or maybe earlier, just go with him. Like, carefree girl in their teenage years. I was like, that kind of a girl who has no care in the world.
Yeah.
I was just a backpack, my lunch, and all the books of Gulzar.
Right.
And off I go with Samit, my husband. And, park in the building. He'll walk up through a cafe, grab a coffee. I'll grab a coffee. I'll sit there, read the newspaper, have my coffee, raise it, whatever I'm going to have, say bye to him, say hello to his colleagues. Sit there, aram se newspaper padh ke, dreaming dreams. And then I'll walk leisurely to my hot desk around, 10 baj jata tha. This is my first few weeks when I was like feeling this exceptional levels of freedom. I still long for those days.
Yeah.
Like, it was just exceptional.
It's a very pure emotion.
And I was when I go to my hot desk, I was only gonna spend my days with Gulzar Saab. Right. That's all I was gonna do, Right. So it's a dream world that I was in. And I loved it.
Yeah.
I just loved it. Just the creative community around me was also very interesting because the hot desks थे तो सब लोग डेली के लिए डेस्क ले रहे हैं. तो कोई थिएटर आर्टिस्ट था, कोई कुछ था, तो हम लोग एक अलग एनर्जी थी.
Or people who are working on startups, etc.
Yes, there were some of those as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where the book was born, and that's where I was every day for 5 days in the week for 2 years.
Did it ever hit you that, obviously because you left your job for this, obviously you're giving up on an income stream that was coming to you.
Yeah.
So at some point that must have been a factor that hit your mind, that whatever I'm doing, is it even worth it?
Yes, it did. But it didn't matter at that time.
Yeah.
It did hit me afterwards when I finished doing the draft and I wanted to get back to, a 9-to-5 thing.
Yeah.
That's when I realized the value of what I had left behind.
Okay.
But when I was leaving it behind, I just wanted to do this book,
Yes.
Of course, it was a consideration. I wouldn't say it wasn't. But I think all of us will go through that moment when money will just be that.
Yes.
Money, doesn't enrich you any more than when your basic needs are met.
True.
उसके बाद आपके बैंक में क्या पैसा आ रहा है और क्या हो सकता है, really do you care? No, as long as we are well fed, our basic, if you go Maslow's hierarchy, I always go back to that. जो base वाली चीज़ें हैं, once they are met, the safety, security and basic sustenance
After that, all of the other things are wants rather than needs.
They are wants, and if they're not met, most of us won't care. Only I think people who have crossed the threshold to going on to the greed side, when the money becomes the primary treadmill for them, उनके बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. They are driven by money, and I think उनके लिए hierarchy में money बहुत नीचे base पे safety, security और sustenance में ही आ जाता है.
Right.
For me, that wasn't the case.
That wasn't the case.
So that's how I was thinking that way. But there have been moments since then when I look back to my role very fondly.